Yo, good morning. It's the boy C to the. I'm out here right now. It's a Saturday. The streets are a lot less active. A lot of people are staying home in the park with the babies, doing something else besides running around the streets. So I'm going to do some shopping today. I'm going to get a raincoat and some hiking boots because me and Tasha will be going to a trip tomorrow, and I want to make sure that we're well prepared. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Tasha, she couldn't make it out with me. She's editing videos still. So I had to get out of here because I needed to make sure that we had what we need to be successful for tomorrow. So I left her alone. So she's in there. Yeah. You know when you walk around the streets recording yourself, people look at you. So it is what it is. Alright, y'all. See you later. For my boots, I got one of them on. I got a good sales price right there. Trying these joints on, making sure that they are a good fit and it'll serve me well. They feel pretty good. I'm about to take a test run of them right now though. I think they're a little bit too tight on me. I might have to get the bigger joints but they look good though. I look official. But nah, I'm gonna need the bigger ones. Va a necesitar lo más grande. See? Alright man, just finished buying these raincoats. Big ass store. Like eight floors and whatnot. Ah man, back to the crib. I'm tired and I took all my money. So, let's do it. Yo, I just finished doing my shopping. Back to my stop. I didn't do much recording when I was doing my shopping because it's not the best place to pull the camera out. But shit, I'm back on my side of town. Went to the Adidas store. 70% off everything, 50% off everything. It was pretty cool, man. If y'all want some Adidas gear, hit me up. I got you. Alright, man. Later. Yo, good morning. Today's the day. We're going to La Chorrera. Right. What's that about, baby?
That is a waterfall behind
I don't know exactly where it's at, but it is a waterfall. So me and my baby, we got our boots ready to go.
That we got for 40 pesos.
48,000 pesos. No. It was 160,000 pesos in total, which is like $48. Baby got show your book bag. Boom. Maybe that's the Uber right there. Let me see. It should be JEQ. Yeah, it's him. All right, guys. So we'll catch you as we're on the way because we got to take an Uber to the bus station, to the Cascada.
See you later.
Man, big time mission to get here. We're on the bus now. We weren't able to sit together. It was a hell of an adventure. I couldn't even bring my camera out to record it, but we're here now on the way to the La Chorrera. Put my life on the line for this adventure. Hopefully it's worth it. So here we are. We arrived to the bus stop. Now we're gonna go and walk to the entrance. So we have to walk 3 miles before we get to the park. I knew this, so I mean, it is what it is. But while we're on the way, take a look at this. Honestly, about a minute or two into the walk, and it's it's gonna take us at least an hour to walk 3 miles. Right now, it's 9:45 in Colombia, so I anticipate at least 11 o'clock. We should have a ride there. There's a really cool website I found with a lot of information, and it was saying that the walk is pretty long. And I had a guy offer me a ride into the park for like a couple bucks, 20,000 pesos, like $5. But I don't. Number one, I don't want to rob myself with the experience of the full-blown La Chorrera. The whole what it is. And then I don't have a lot of pesos in my pocket because, in case I get got, they don't get me for too much, you feel me? Toenails right now is a problem, unfortunately. Unfortunately, my friend. Right now we're going on a steep downhill, and my toenails are stabbing me. I'm pretty sure some of you guys watching this video can relate. I forgot to clip my toenails because when I'm walking on a flat surface, it doesn't kick in. once you're going down the hill, yeah, I'm getting stabbed up. But God is good, man. So I'm just gonna push it through. I'm gonna thug it out. You know what I'm talking about? A whole lot of gang shit this way, bro. So it is what it is.
These are cows.
These are little babies, though.
These are the little babies. Let's get close. Oh, scratching his face.
So cute.
It is cute.
Cute guy. What's up, buddy? He got a date or something. He's in a rush. Yo, that boy good. It's 11:09. We are? La Chorrera.
We just walked 3 miles, and then I have to look at that steep. Show them, babe.
Light work.
That's not light work.
Light work.
She said it gets worse.
She did.
I'm already out of breath.
Light work.
Steep? Babe, stop it.
Light work.
Light work. It's nowhere near light work.
Light work. I'm gonna put a bunch of positive thoughts and attitude in my mind. It's gonna be a very beautiful sight. The workout is gonna be rewarding. And that's how we're gonna do this. Ain't nothing come easy worth having. You understand what I'm saying? So with that being said, I don't want no shortcuts. Give me the long work. I take the long way home. Better experience, better stories, better footage. All right, fellas, ladies and gentlemen, get off. Don't fly. All right, later. Oh, before I close out, solid. Look at negative Nancy. You're blessed to have legs and feet that work, girl. Use them while you have them. 50 years from now, this won't even be an option. You understand what I'm saying?
Hey guys, so now we are starting the journey. Officially. The waterfall, if you could see, is right above me.
Not me. You gotta do what you gotta do. See that crab step? Let me show them the crab step.
Oh, go ahead.
So what you do, you put one foot like this, then you put one foot, making progress. Ain't nobody ever taught me that. I made it up myself. That's C to the technique. Y'all can use it. You know what? Out of love. You don't have to, no royalties or nothing. But this is fall proof. You feel me? People want to laugh at you because you moving slow, you looking funny. But hey, name of the game. Don't get hurt.
A lot of water. Get close. Getting close, baby. Raindrops. You feel it? All right, we got the head strap going. Woo-hoo. Maybe you did a good job.
This right here is my tour guide. I would call him Max. They've been helping us out with some kind of wiring, non-barb. That's like a little help. Look, it's coming up right now. I'll show you. So this, I've been pretty much holding on to. Not really blindly, because like I said, ruin a boom, pay attention. So I've been holding on to this joint, and all of a sudden, bro, this turned to that. But I synced it though. I synced it. Not today, Satan. Ladies and gentlemen, we have found Tasha's arch nemesis. Sometimes you gotta put a team on your back. Tasha make a whole wish. Alright, let's roll. Ladies and gentlemen, we're having a ride, but I can smell it. You can smell it. You can smell it. Comment below if you know where that's from. Hey, look at this. Wow. Oh yeah, amazing. All right, baby, it's raincoat time.
It's raincoat time?
Yeah.
You think?
I know it is.
Hey guys, so this is what I look like right now because it's raining, and then CJ's right there.
Oh, this is it, huh?
Guys, we partly made it. This is insane. Okay, he's putting the camera back on.
I ran into the Spanish class star over here, Ben. Say what's up, Ben? It's incredible. I ran into my man from class randomly. What's up? Okay, sweetie, let me get up here safely.
Woo!
I'm so happy, bro. I worked so hard to get here. That's one of the best parts about things like this. You work hard to see it, and then you're finally here. Oh man, so nice.
It is beautiful. Go ahead, look up, baby.
Look up, Marlon. Say cheese. Oh man.
It's so amazing.
Oh yeah. Yo, mission completed. We finished up that El Chorrera waterfall. We hiked 3 miles to get in, 3 miles to get out.
Yep.
It was fun. We had a blast. Ben, we couldn't do it without him. What up? How you feel, babe?
I'm exhausted. I've never walked that much ever.
Ask me how I feel.
He's exhausted too. And
Like
his
a champ.
toenails
Like a
hurt.
star.
Made it home. Poor CJ. His toes.
It was a great day, fantastic day. And what I liked about it, after all was said, first of all, we walked. Let me tell you, can I break down this? So this is how it goes. I'm gonna just cut to the part where we arrive at the place, La Chorrera, right? We walk in 3 miles, right? That's where we started. We walk in 3 miles. It's an hour, about 15 minutes. And then we get to the spot. We do our orientation. We buy our tickets, and then we do our hike. It's about an hour and a half hike. We come back down. We do a mini hike, another 25 minutes mini hike, small water.
I was like, at that point I was hungry. I was ready to eat.
You haven't eaten yet.
And you know, this is my motivation to get down. And so I'm pushing it, I'm like out of breath. And then finally we got down and they were like, oh, another waterfall.
Like,
and I
great.
was like, oh, heck.
But that one was cool too, because you was able to walk behind it or what have you. It was cool. So we did that, and then we ate. And after that, we finished our exit out of the park. And after that, another 3 miles, my friends. Another 3 miles. That was the test of all tests, but you know, we were here, so we made it.
We were all tested at one point with exhaustion.
Dogs was running up on us. We was passing pigs and cows. It was crazy.
Those pigs smell.
No, the pigs. Ooh. If you could smell the pig, you won't eat it. For sure. If you smell what I smell, you won't eat it. No, sir. No. Maybe. It was a crazy day.
Yeah. It was. But guys, we are dirty. Super dirty. And we really need to take a shower and get ourselves together. We just wanted to close out. We love you. We thank you for all your support. We are at 70 subscribers. We are so grateful, and we're just gonna continue to bring the heat. Continue to bring these videos to you. Please tell us what you want to see. Definitely engage in the comments. Let us know what you want to see. But it's a lot of fun, babe. Stop. But anyways, guys, we definitely need to get clean. And we're tired. So we love you guys.
I'm not tired. I'm a champ, baby. I'm ready to rock and roll.
He is tired. He needs to clip his toenails, file them, and then I'll give him the massage.
Yeah, I mean, I don't mean I'm tired, but that's what we need to do, though.
Yeah, your body's exhausted.
And last night we went out.
We did.
We went out and we woke up early. We had like 5 hours of sleep. What?
You know, still doing it.
I'm saying, gotta live while you got it. You heard?
That's right. But guys, again, we love you so much, and we just want to say goodnight.
I can't vivirlo. That means you gotta live your life. And like that,
we out. Good night. Bye.